Hi everyone. Today we are going to do Fit India challenging exercise. Before going to challenge exercise, I like to brief about Fit India movement. The Fit India movement was launched by Honorable Prime Minister of India Sri Narendra Modi on 29th August 2019 with a view to make physical fitness a way of life. In times of COVID 19, fitness has become an even more important aspect of life. The motto of Fit India movement is Hum Fit Do India Fit. Now we are celebrating first anniversary of this program. Come on, let us move to warming up exercise. First walk, on the spot walk, slowly jogging, on the spot jogging. Little bit you can increase speed, jumping jog. Whatever training, whatever practice we are doing before warming up is very important. Jumping jog, arms up, pivot claps. Breathe in, breathe out. When you're coming up, inhale. Going down, exhale, breathe out. Do it very slowly. Swing your hands, inhale, exhale. Come on, go for slowly, neck up and down, stretch. Slowly up, side to side. Shoulder rotation, clockwise. Opposite anti-clockwise. Hamstring, up and down. Sideward. For the pectoralis major muscle groups, completely relax your upper body. Go for hip rotation, clockwise. Opposite side, anti-clockwise, side to side. Relax, just bend forward and upward. It is for the hamstring muscle group and calf. Stretch up and down. Relax, completely relax. Side to side, lateral muscle groups. Stretching the lateral muscle group. Lateral oblique. Sideward swing. Relax. Go for knee up and down. Up squat, relax your lower legs. Go for angle and wrist rotation, clockwise, anti-clockwise. We are doing all the exercise for the joints. Mobility exercise, swing your legs, front and back, side to side. Change your legs, change your hands. Swing your legs front and back, side to side. Little bit jump on the spot. Jump front back. Relax again. Breathe in, breathe out. Completely. Okay, stretching. Quadricep stretching. Quadricep hamstring, upper body straight. Change the side. Again, quadricep stretching. Relax. Hamstring stretching, little bit hamstring stretching. Backward, quadriceps again, little bit jump. High knee action, little bit high knee action. This is a challenging exercise. On the spot jogging. You can fix timing. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. According to your capacity, you can fix the timing and go for challenging on the spot jogging. On the spot jogging, you can do a little bit of high knee action, back lift. On the spot challenging exercise, this high knee action little bit. Whatever you have capacity, accordingly you can do. Time limit. On the spot jogging. You have to do jogging. Compulsory shoe is must. Without shoe, don't go for jogging. You will get shin bone pain, calf pain. So shoe is very important. Continuously jogging according to your capacity. No need to go outside, you can inside. Yes, challenging for on the spot jogging. Next challenging, step up, stepping challenge. Okay, you can fix a timing 30 seconds or 1 minute. Within the 1 minute, how many steps you can do? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that, you can fix the timing 30 seconds, how many steps you are doing, or 1 minute, how many steps you are doing. Accordingly, you can do. This is a step up training. It is not supposed to be slippery steps. Keep such a way. Mat should be a grip mat. Shoe is important. You can increase the speed or slow down the speed. See, you can see my variation. Next challenge, half squat challenge. Okay, this also you can fix the timing 30 seconds or 1 minute according to your capacity. Again, variation is there. Half squat, raise your hands upper shoulder level. You got to sit in on a chair like that. Half squat, imaginary chair. Just go down half squat position and remain 30 seconds or 1 minute according to your capacity. This is one first variation. Starting you may get little bit ligament pain on the knee joint, but if we practice daily it will be all right. Next, a side view, half squat. Yes. Another variation, you can join your fingers and just rise up to shoulder level and sit in half squat position. This matter also, whichever you are feeling comfortable, you can follow that method. Another method, third variation, half squat. If you practice daily, your ligaments, knee ligaments will be strengthened. In future, you will not get any problem. You will not get any problem. The strengthening exercise for knee joints. Next, challenging. Yes, skipping, rope skipping. This is called rope skipping. Here also different variation is there. Height of the skip up to hip level. It's normal jump. Everyone used to do. Simple jumping. This also you can keep 1 minute or 2 minutes. Single leg jump, right leg, left leg. You can change and do. This is alternative, splitting front and back. Even you can go for double, one jump and double rope swinging. Various variation you can follow, and you can follow at least 100 jump per day. It's a very beautiful exercise for height development. Skipping jump is very, very important jump. Workout training. Double leg jump. Yes, challenging. Okay, all of you. Keep fit. Maintain your fitness throughout your life. Okay, thank you everyone.